Hi, and welcome to this video on our multi-sensor, the ACC-EN. First of all, what do we mean by multi-sensor? Well, in simple terms, it is a single sensor that features more than one detection element to recognise the presence of multiple physical components of a fire. Most typically, these are smoke and heat. The response of the sensor to these phenomena can be determined by programming at the fire control panel. So the decision to report a fire can be based on the response from the smoke chamber, or the heat elements, or a combination of both in varying degrees. Our single phenomena sensors are usually perfectly suitable in most instances. However, a multi-sensor can provide distinct advantages in certain applications. For example, where there is a specific threat of false alarm, or when the fire risk varies at different times of the day. Employing a multi-sensor can help in reducing susceptibility to false alarms in environments known to cause them. For example, in hotels, student accommodation, or homes of multiple occupancy, the false detection of fire is both costly and inconvenient. Burning toast, steam from showers, aerosols, or cigarette smoke are all potential causes of false alarms, where only smoke sensors are installed. When utilising a multi-sensor in these environments, the device can be programmed so that both heat and smoke need to be detected before an alarm condition is reached. This is sometimes referred to as the double knock approach. The sensor may detect smoke from burning toast, but without also detecting a rise in heat. An alarm condition isn't generated straight away. Another example would be a loading bay where forklift trucks are used throughout their working day. Exhaust fumes from the forklifts could falsely activate a smoke sensor. By employing a multi-sensor here, the smoke detection element of the device can be switched off during the day, effectively making a unit a heat sensor. Outside of working hours, when the forklifts were not operating, the unit would function as a multi-sensor again, with both heat and smoke elements active in the fire decision process. If the fire risk varies at different times of the day, then a multi-sensor would be the ideal choice. Take, for example, an industrial kitchen environment. During the working day in a kitchen, there is an obvious increased risk of fire, which would create both heat and smoke. Again, the sensor could be programmed to enter into an alarm condition if both smoke and heat are present. Outside of normal operating times, when the kitchen is empty, the multi-sensor could be programmed to fall back to smoke detection only, as the presence of this phenomena would be enough to signal a fire. Hochiki's multi-sensor for many years was the ACA-E, but with the introduction of our new range of sensors at the end of 2013, this was superseded by the ACC-EN, an improved multi-sensor at a reduced price compared to the previous model. Let's take a closer look. The ACC-EN is available in ivory or white with matching standard mounting bases. The heat elements and smoke detection chamber are contained within the same casing, which seamlessly matches the shape of all of our other sensors. The casing is marked for easy identification from ground level. Some other key features include twin fire LEDs, which allow 360-degree viewing, green when polling, turning red in a fire condition, pulsing, non-pulsing control from the fire control panel. Please check compatibility with the panel manufacturer. Variable sensitivity of either smoke and heat elements to suit specific environments. Electronically addressed using the TCH-B100. The unit is LPCB and VDS approved to classes A1 and C. And there is a SEAL Level 2 approved variant available for oil and gas applications. It's worth a reminder at this point that a multi-sensor should be treated as a heat sensor when designing your fire detection system. In other words, they should always be spaced to provide the 7.5 by 7.5 metre coverage of a heat sensor, as dictated by BS 5839. Thank you for watching this video on our ACC-EN multi-sensor. We hope it's been useful. For further information, please visit our website at the address on the screen, where you can download product specifications and instructions. Don't forget you can also follow us on Twitter and LinkedIn. And if you're an existing customer, why not request to join our LinkedIn customer group? To subscribe to the Hochiki YouTube channel and be alerted when new content is available, please click the video now. See you next time.